Hi, this is Shali with Exit, and I want to tell you about something that will make your decision to sell your home a lot easier. It's called equity, and the chances are that you have a lot more than you realize. And that can be a real game changer when you're buying your next home. Here's how it works. As you pay down your home loan and as home prices rises, your equity does too. And here's the best part. Because home prices have been climbing up so much, equity is likely to grow. According to CoreLogic, over the past year alone, homeowners have gained record amount of equity. And when you sell your house, you can use this equity to fuel your next move. It may be enough to cover some, if not all, of the down payment on the next home. Your equity can take you places. The average home equity in this country has appreciated by $64,000 over the past 12 years alone. Work with me to find out how much you have and how can you use to power your next move. This is Shali again.